What I'll do today is show you how to replace a dead battery on a 2015 Civic EX sedan 4-door, and I have the remote in here. What I'll do is show you how to break it open. Okay, on the logo side of the remote you have a latch. Slide that latch to the left side and you get the keys separated. Okay, and now you have the remote on one side. On top of the remote where the key came from, there's a slot, and on that slot you insert the key like what I'll do here. Insert it, and with a little pressure down you crack it open. There you go. Now the remote is kind of cracked open. What you do is you slide your nail through the crack to open it. There you go, it's open. Okay, my advice to you is to take a picture of the remote first before you open it, because these pieces here, 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces, they're all separate, and when you crack open the remote sometimes they go flying out. So that you have an idea how to put it back together, take a picture of it first. Okay, so I got it open, and right there you see the battery. What you do is just pry it open with your nail. There you go, you got the battery. So you got it separated. It's fairly easy, it takes a little bit. And now if you have the new battery, just put it inside the battery compartment, press it down. Okay, now the battery is in there. What you do next is put the remote over it, the other side of the remote, the other half of the remote, and make sure the sides are flushed. Once the sides are flushed and all the logo and the different small parts are on their level and not moved, you press it down. There you go. There you go. Takes a little bit, but it's fairly easy. So you got the battery replaced and the remote's right there, and just put the key back. Okay, and you're good to go. This remote was a 2015, so it's now 2019. It's about 5 years. You should be good to go for another 4 or 5 years. Okay, just do the same thing when you try to replace it. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching.